Yankhaimapani Suba Femina Miss India gi Grand Finale Imphal gi Khuman Lampak Sport Complex da laiba Indoor Stadium da pangthokre Sagen gi kuntrana saruk yakhiba finale adugi matangda pangthumi
Oh yani gari ke
Fotografer idrah सबका ini yang juri. Yes. Looking gorgeous.
Thank you so much. I love this state. I mean, this is my second visit to Manipur and actually come to the campaign of Miss India 2022. I visited a lot of places. I love the people, I love the food, and I can't wait to come back again. I mean, my life has changed. I've lived two different lives in the same year. I was a normal school girl and got to have become Miss India 2022, who will represent India as Miss World. The feeling is unbelievable. My life has changed. 20 completely experience. And I can't wait to make you all proud as India. Well, I know for sure she'll make us proud. All your 30 contestants are fabulous. They're stunning. And I hope they make us all proud.
Journey of this 1 year has been a roller coaster ride for me. From the day I born till today, it felt like yesterday I was just crowned and today I have to pass my crown. So I'm super excited and also a little bit sad to give away my crown. Performing together today, so it's like one of your studio performance, all of India's girls performing. I am really very much excited and looking forward to it. We've practiced like 2-3 days continuous for this day to, make it successful. So definitely I'm just looking forward to it. Thank you.
Whole northeast itself. It's a completely different vibe. Like I don't fly. Very excited to come here. Part of my somebody from the fashion that's huge dream for anyone in the country to be a part of like cinema. Yes, media houses have kind of made a new perception. But I think this Femina Miss India pageant is done by the biggest movie organization this Times of India. And that organization have come chosen to this beautiful stage, Manipur, and most prestigious pageant Femina Miss India. That shows that it's not even extremely safe, but this city, this state has a lot of potential in terms of and opportunities in terms of growth, has a lot of culture which the whole country needs to see and explore and excel.